Now we will call our set connection method and we will check if flag equal to A, we will execute the insert query. So cmd equal to new OLEDB command, insert into student data. We will open the table. These are the fields that we are going to insert. So insert into student data, roll number, comma name, birth date, and gender, age, mark of 3 subjects, total and percentage. And we will give the values for all these fields. For inserting gender, we will use our variable that we have declared. And we will execute it with execute non-query. And after this, we will reset our flag. We will call the form clear method and we will set the focus to btn new. To execute, we will press F5. When we click on new button, it will generate a new roll number. We will insert the name, we will select the gender. Now we will insert the birth date. It will calculate the age. We will enter mark of 3 subjects. It will calculate the total, percentage and grade, and we will save it. To check whether data is inserted, we will open our database. Here record is inserted. If we execute again, it will generate the roll number to 2 since we have added 1 record. Now we will see modify and delete button event. For modify or delete, we have to enter the roll number and according to that it will display the data. So on roll numbers key down event, you can select the key down event from here. We will check whether the flag is M or D and we will execute the query according to it. Here first we have checked whether the flag is M or D, then we will set the connection. Here we have written the code for modify and delete. So on roll number key down event, we will check whether flag is M or D. It will set the connection and it will get the data from the student data table by selecting it using where condition. And after that it will assign the select query value to data reader, and from data reader we will read the data and we will assign to the text box. And on save button click event, we will check else if flag equal to M, we will execute update student data. We will set the fields with our text box. So s name equal to txt name, So if we execute and we will click on modify button, it will ask the roll number. We will enter the 1. It will display the data from the table, but it hasn't displayed the gender from the database. For this, here again we will define a variable, and while reading the data we will check if equal to male. It will set the RDO male dot checked equal to true. Else it will check if it is female. It will check RDO female dot checked equal to true. And when we execute, if we click on modify button and we have entered 1, it will display the data. It will display the gender also. So when we execute it, we will click on modify button. It will ask for roll number. When we press enter, it will display the data. We will change the marks and we will save it. To check whether the data is updated, you can open the database, or again you can press here modify. It will display the new data. Now for delete, on roll numbers key down event, we will ask the user, you want to delete? If it is yes, it will delete the data from the table. For this we will add another record 2. And to delete, we will click on the delete button and we will enter the roll number 2. It will display the data and it will ask, you want to delete? If you say yes, it will delete the data from the table. So here we have created a window application for inserting the data into the student table. For this, we make the connection, then we set the set connection method. We will set the on focus, lost focus, events for the controls. We have written the procedure. We have written the method for form clear. Then we have written the key down events for all the controls, and on roll numbers key down event we execute the modify and delete buttons. On birth dates key down event, we have calculated the age. On new buttons click event, we have written the code for auto generating the roll number. And on save buttons click event, we have written the query for inserting the data or updating the data.